Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Yes, I'm in the room, heading to the beach later on, but let's quickly have a look at Bitcoin, see what's going on, what are the latest updates. Here we have Bitcoin is currently at 65,000 US dollars. Almost 65. It's currently 64.8, and as you can see here, we're having a little pumpy pump. We're currently neutral state in the market, 45, and things are looking pretty solid and stable. So if you've been following me for a while, you know that I've been saying that there is no need to panic. The market is going through a completely natural sequence right now. The market is not really perfect, but I would say it's picking up right now and things are being more stable than before. So what's next for Bitcoin and what to expect in the next few hours and days and months? Well, let's leave months and years for a bit, and let's talk about the next few days and weeks. Well, let's have a look at BTC. BTC most likely is gonna go all the way to 68,000 US dollars, and then once we hit the 68,000 US dollars, we will have a little bit of a retracement. Why am I saying that? Well, the all-time high is here at around the 73k. That happened previously in April. That was prior to the Bitcoin halving, weirdly enough, because this cycle is kind of a special and it has a mind of its own, let's put it this way. So we had the all-time high before the halving, and then the halving happened, and now we're starting the new cycle. Currently the price is at 65. I do believe we will have a little bit of a retracement at 68. That means that my humble prediction, of course I'm not a financial advisor, you should always do your own due diligence, manage your own risks. I do believe that we will go all the way to 68k. Then we will have a little bit of a retracement, and then we can reevaluate the whole thing. Generally speaking, I do believe that we will crack over the 68k. After a little bit of a resistance, we will go over the 68k all the way to the all-time high over here, the 73,000 US dollars, and then we will have to wait and see what's gonna happen, because nobody knows how Bitcoin will react around that level. Bear in mind that we're awfully close to the all-time high, so I would say let's consider this whole movement, this whole sideways movement, a consolidation, and then we will see a massive jump for Bitcoin. Of course, again, that's my humble prediction. It's nothing, I'm not a financial advisor, that's my humble prediction. So you will need to understand it first, and you will need to do your own studies and put your risk management is completely on you. That's my own prediction. That's what I'm doing. I'm just being transparent with you. That's what I'm doing, and that's what I'm predicting, and that's how I'm trading Bitcoin for the time being. I do believe after this consolidation, we will have a little bit of a pump towards the upside. Where exactly, or what's the price limit, or what's the realistic expectation for Bitcoin for the current cycle? I do believe between 100 and 140. So that's a 40% range for Bitcoin price to play around, but I would say very conservative 100. That will be the magical number. Everyone is just waiting for 100k BTC. I do believe it will happen in the foreseeable future, and then we can reevaluate the whole thing. But bear in mind, between 100 and 140k, that's a very realistic and very conservative price range for Bitcoin, and then we can see what's going to happen next. So of course, as usual, updating you whenever something else happens in the market. Thank you all for attention, and see you next one. Bye bye.